The Guard Dog Stun Gun flashlight with anti-grab prongs is a versatile self-defense tool that ensures your safety. Featuring innovative anti-grab technology, it keeps the device in your hands and away from potential attackers. With high-voltage stun capabilities, it can immobilize aggressors or act as a powerful deterrent. The added 280 lumens flashlight provides illumination for various situations. The safety activation button enhances user safety. Priced at just $40, it's an affordable yet effective choice for personal security, providing you with peace of mind and reliable protection. Leatherback Gear's Tactical One bulletproof backpack is a groundbreaking solution for personal safety. Unlike traditional backpacks, it offers discreet protection with hidden bulletproof panel inserts in the front and back. You can even separate it into two parts for comprehensive front and back coverage, making it ideal for trained individuals who prioritize safety. Additionally, it includes two detachable tourniquets for controlled bleeding, an invaluable feature in emergencies. With a 300-pound drag handle, an anti-identity theft RFID pocket, and water-resistant fabric, this backpack is a versatile and secure option for $339. Providing you with unparalleled peace of mind. This umbrella is a blend of style and functionality, perfect for the modern individual. It is crafted with durable black nylon. Not only keeps you dry and comfortable in any weather, but also conceals a hidden secret. Its wooden handle unscrews to reveal a 15-inch dagger blade, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency or danger. The dagger blade is crafted with the highest quality materials, ensuring durability and sharpness, while its compact size allows for discreet and convenient carrying without drawing unnecessary attention. The sword umbrella's design is both practical and versatile, making it ideal for anyone seeking a stylish accessory with added safety features. Whether you're walking to work, running errands, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this will keep you looking fashionable and prepared for any situation. It's priced at just $35. In life-threatening situations, every second counts. Skysaver Family is a self-rescue kit engineered to military-grade standards to ensure your family's safety during emergencies. Designed for high-rise living, it simplifies the escape process with a straightforward 3-step method. The backpack harness secures your body with 6 pressure points, while the controlled descent device guarantees a safe and controlled descent at a speed of approximately 1 meter per second. Load tested up to 270 kg and built with robust materials, it offers the highest degree of safety even in extreme conditions. Invest in your family's safety and well-being for $1,485, knowing you have a reliable solution for critical moments. The Shaky Tooth self-defense keyring is an exceptional, lightweight and portable self-defense tool. Its innovative spiked ABS ring design serves as a powerful deterrent to potential attackers. You can conveniently attach it to your keys or keep it in your pocket for everyday carry. The finger hole is comfortable for most digits, and the pointed tip is highly effective for targeting pressure points or larger muscles. The keychain not only offers safety on the go, but also peace of mind, available for just $12. With its compact and discreet design, it's an affordable investment in personal security that can make a significant difference when it matters most. The Armour 100 Beanbag Gun Kit is a trusted, non-lethal self-defense tool, approved by law enforcement and civilians alike. It delivers remarkable knockdown power, stopping threats up to 20 feet away with reusable beanbag projectiles at 130 feet per second. Designed for quick and easy use, it features a simple release mechanism for rapid cartridge loading, ensuring readiness in critical situations. It offers a safer alternative to electric shock devices, maintaining exceptional effectiveness. Built for durability and efficiency, the Armour 100's frame measures 10 inches in length and 18 inches overall. Its aircraft composite grip ensures a sturdy hold, finished with graphite for added durability. The price? $200. This knife is a fusion of utility and self-protection, offering a unique blend of functionality and captivating design. The triple kill is compact, and with its razor-sharp blade, it features a precise, hollow grind which excels in various cutting tasks. Featuring a two-step opening mechanism, it deploys effortlessly with a spring tab and locks securely with a button lock. Remarkably ergonomic in both open and closed configurations, it ensures comfortable handling. Beyond its utility, the triple kill knife doubles as a collectible piece of art. At $458, it's a versatile companion for everyday tasks and a captivating addition to any collection. Meet the Scorpion Whip, a precision-crafted weapon in a compact form. This chain whip isn't just about functionality, it's a statement of power and craftsmanship. Its solid metal handle, intricately wire-wrapped for enhanced grip, and 21 stainless steel discs deliver striking performance. At a formidable 47 inches in overall length, it's not just a weapon, it's a work of art. Complete with a hardwood wall plaque, it's the perfect blend of form and function. You can own this unique masterpiece for the price of $100. The Hyper Whistle, with 4,100 plus Amazon reviews, reigns as the most efficient, reliable, and loudest rescue/outdoor whistle. Its unique tri-frequency design combines three highly rated whistles into one, setting it apart from the competition. Engineered and designed in the USA, it's the whistle of choice even on US aircraft carriers. Boasting an impressive 142 plus decibel output, antimicrobial composite, all-weather construction, and a range of up to 2 miles, it's the pinnacle of whistle technology. It is pretty compact, at just 3.1 inches in length and 1.1 inches in width. Weighing in at just 21 grams, it's easy to carry. However, be cautious, as its extreme loudness may cause hearing loss if used at maximum output without hearing protection. Priced at $20, it's the ultimate safety whistle for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Burka Plus credit card knife redefines everyday carry with its compact design. Measuring just 7.1 centimeters in length, 3.5 centimeters in width, and a mere 3 millimeters thin, it discreetly slips into your wallet or shirt pocket using the included clip or ball chain. Precision and durability are the hallmarks of this knife, featuring a titanium plate for a robust frame lock mechanism. Meticulous milling reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Despite its flat profile, it provides ergonomic handling and a secure grip with finger grooves and a G10 handle end. The 440C blade delivers excellent cutting performance for everyday tasks and leisure activities. The removable tip-down clip adds versatility to this extraordinary and discreet everyday carry tool. The Burka Plus credit card knife is a practical and reliable solution, available for $65. The M48 Hellhawk assault crossbow pistol sets a new standard for simplicity and accuracy. Its self-cocking mechanism ensures effortless operation and precise shots. Equipped with a textured TPR grip for comfortable handling, an adjustable buttstock lets you customize the length from 22 to 24 inches. For enhanced aiming, it includes a fiber optic front sight and an elevation adjustable removable rear sight. With Picatinny rails on top and bottom, you can attach preferred accessories, and a removable hand grip adds versatility. Featuring an 80-pound draw weight and a 6-inch power stroke, it propels aluminium bolts at up to 185 FPS. This crossbow pistol also has an automatic safety feature. Priced at $100, it is a reliable and powerful choice. The PK73 automatic knife is a formidable tool, sporting an inch switchblade with a swift stainless steel deployment mechanism. Its lightweight Kydex handle, a durable anti-slip plastic, is ideal for close quarters combat. With a simple forward thumb movement, the blade deploys and retracts effortlessly, even with gloves. Note that the blade has a slightly looser fit due to the larger ejection system compared to conventional drop-down ejector blades. This knife is equipped with a handy clip and a glass breaker at the handle's back, providing an escape option in crisis situations. When fully extended, it measures 235mm in total length, with a 95mm blade for precise cutting. Priced at $20, it combines power and practicality in a compact package.